Hi everyone, Justin Mueller again here, and in this video we're going to go over a platform called Viddyoze. So for those of you brand new to this, Viddyoze is basically a platform that allows you to upload your logo. So if you have a logo for your business, maybe you're a freelancer and you have other people hiring you, they give you their logo, you upload a logo to the platform and it's automatically going to animate it into a really cool intro video. So let's say you have a YouTube channel like myself, and maybe you want to have an intro animation before each video starts. Or let's say you have a company and you have a website and let's say you sell training content, you sell training videos. But in the beginning of each training video, let's say you want to have an animation that introduces them to your company by showing them your logo. Then this is the platform for you. So I'm going to leave a link down below for this platform. And I'm also going to leave a link down below to a website where you can have a freelancer create a logo for you. Pretty sure you've heard of it. It's called Fiverr. It's one of the best places, in my opinion, just to get a quick and simple logo. You can find really good professionals charging like $1,000 for a logo, and then you're going to find people just creating quick and simple logos for like $100 or $50. So it's totally up to you. It's a great freelancing website. There's Fiverr and Upwork. But anyways, even if you have your own logo right now, let's say you don't need to make one, I'm going to show you how you can upload your logo to the platform and have an animation create you these animations. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we are on the Viddyoze website, breathtaking animations in 3 clicks with the world's easiest full auto video animation software. And they're not joking when they say that 3 clicks is literally the easiest thing you'll ever do. And I've made probably over 100 different animations within this platform. And I don't use them anymore because some of them I freelanced to other people. But yeah, and you're going to see a lot of glare on my glasses. So here's the website. Check it out. Again, link is down below. But let's go ahead and sign in. And let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so once you are in your Viddyoze back office, this is what it's going to look like. I purchased Viddyoze a little over a year ago. I think it was maybe 1 or 2 years ago I bought this software. So a lot has changed when it comes to the visual design of the platform, but I'm pretty sure none of it changed when it comes to how easy it is to upload your own logo and get an animation made. But yeah, here's what it looks like. So you have different types of animations. You have alpha animations. I'll go over all these. Alphas, introductions, animations specifically for a logo. You have outros, overlays, social, title. So with these different animations, it's not always about uploading your logo. Some of these animations you can do for mockups. So let's say you're doing a mockup showcasing a website that you just built. You can take a screenshot of your computer screen, and then you can upload that screenshot to Viddyoze, and it's going to animate that onto a computer, like a desktop, like a MacBook Pro. Let's say you want to show off an app you just built, or let's say you want to show off a website you just made. You can take a screenshot from your phone, and you can upload that screenshot to the Viddyoze platform, and it'll automatically animate that animation onto an iPhone or an Android phone, and you get to pick here in the back end, which I'm going to show you. So there's different types of animations. Not every animation requires you to upload a logo. That's the cool thing about it. So, and they also have the ability here, if you were to pay extra in part of their upsells, but right here it says premium video animations for as low as $3 an animation, and you can view their pricing here. But if you just get their standard one, you just pay the one-time fee. I believe it's still a one-time fee. If you pay their one-time fee, then you can access all the basic animations here like I have. But let's just go ahead and look at these animations just so you can see what we're dealing with here. So let's say you have an Android app mockup. Let's click on customize. For me, this is free because I bought this a long time ago. So I'm pretty sure they changed it so some of them are premium and some of them are not. But here's one of them right here. So you can see the animation. It turns your screenshot from your phone into an animated video showcasing it on this Nexus Android phone. You can include audio, you can include text, you can include images, you can change the colors. So it's pretty cool when it comes to doing this. Now, if you also have a commercial license for Viddyoze, you have the ability to resell these animations to people. So let's say you work on Fiverr or you work on Upwork and you want to make money, you can easily sell these animations for $10 to $20 a piece, and you paid a one-time fee to access Viddyoze. So let's go back here, and I want to show you some of the other animations. I want to show you some of my favorite animations. Let's go here and click on social. I used these a whole lot when it came to promoting my Instagram and my Snapchat back in the day. Where is it? Let's find it. I'm looking specifically, yes, this is the Instagram one right here, but that's not the specific Instagram one I was using. I was using the one where Instagram faded in, kind of like a sparkle effect. Here we go. See, particles. So here's a Snapchat one, here's a YouTube one. Yeah, here's the YouTube animation. So you can put here, follow me on YouTube or subscribe, follow me. And then you include your channel, youtube.com/ and then the name of your channel. So these are some of my favorite ones that you get when you purchase videos. So let's say I want to customize this. I'm going to click on customize this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the text. So I'm going to make it say subscribe. And my URL, youtube.com/Justin equals time. Next step. Let's say I want to leave all these colors the same. I'm going to click next step, include audio. Do you want it to include the audio that it comes with? But you also have the ability, I believe you can choose, if you want to remove these sparkles and whatnot. But yeah, I'm just going to include the audio because if you're editing this animation into a video that you have, you can always just get rid of the audio from the animation. So I always recommend that when you download your videos, you download it with audio, because when you're actually editing the video in Final Cut or iMovie, whatever editing platform you're using, you can just detach the audio if you no longer want to use it. So it's always good to have that audio in the video just in case you want to use it or delete it later. So let's click on create your video. And let's see how long it takes to actually process in this rendering. So I remember back in the day, one time it took me an hour to render the video, but that's only because it was brand new. It was a brand new software to the market and everyone was using it and everybody was rendering their videos at the same time. But now I'm pretty sure they fixed all that. As I can see here, it's going way faster than an hour. Now it's probably doing it in 30 seconds or less. So within just 10 seconds of talking, it went from 1% to 60% rendered. So this should be done within 20 more seconds. So as you can see, if you're a freelancer or if you just want to get a quick animation for yourself, maybe you're doing a new business, whatever it may be, you can buy the software, upload your logo, or change text for these different animations, and you can have animations done for you in a few seconds. So there we go. Basically, it's done now. It's 100% rendered, and it should take us to this next page. There we go. So download video. The moment you click on download video, see here, it instantly pops right here. Actually, it automatically downloads the video. So if you click download video, it's going to download it again. But as you can see here, it already downloaded the video. So let's check it out. But basically, that is the audio, that is the video file that you're going to put into a video editor. So if you're editing a YouTube video, you're going to put that video in the beginning of your video or wherever you want to show your, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's automatically going to animate that over the video that you're editing, which is pretty cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and create another animation. Let's create a logo animation. This time, what we're going to do is we're going to upload my Simplore logo. So I run my own company. We are a web design company with a drag and drop web design platform. You can build a website, blog, e-commerce store, marketing funnels. You can also have a members dashboard. So when people purchase a product or if they purchase a training program, whatever it may be, they can log into your back office and they can view their training content in their own back office. So all of that for just $37 a month. So let's say I want to animate this logo into an intro for my YouTube channel. Okay. So what we're going to do, first thing you have to remember, the logo has to be in the format of a PNG. A PNG means the background is transparent. Okay. Because let's say the background is white, then the animation is going to look weird because it's just going to be a white box that's being animated out of nowhere. So make sure that the background is transparent. And if you don't know how to turn an image into a PNG file, if you don't know how to make your image, if you don't know how to make it so the background is transparent, then they have a bunch of free tutorials on YouTube and they have programs that turn it into a PNG automatically that make the background transparent. So make sure you check that out if you want to learn how to do that. But once you have a file, once you have your logo that has a transparent background, and once the file is a PNG format, what you're going to do is we're going to go back. So let's just go back here to the home page of our back office. Let's just go here and let's go to alpha. Okay, let's choose this logo. the diagonal logo transition. So let's customize this logo animation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on customize this video. We're going to upload our logo, Simplora, on my desktop. It's a PNG file. Click next. What colors do I want those lines to be? I'm just going to leave them the same. Do I want to include audio? Yes. Like I said before, I always recommend that you include audio. So when you're editing the video in iMovie, Final Cut, whatever editing software, if you no longer want the audio, you can just delete it from there. Okay. But it's always good to download it with audio. I click on create your video. And within 30 seconds, this should be done. So now we just got to wait a second, see how it looks. By the way, this is a really cool editing software I've been using, or my bad, a recording software. This recording software, I just found it the other day. It's called Loom, Loom. It's a browser extension where the moment you click it and you click record, it records your desktop and or your microphone and your webcam. And you can switch between back and forth and see how I'm manipulating the size. I can drag it everywhere. This is a really cool thing. So I do recommend that if you're like me, you do a lot of business online, you're working with other people, you know, if you want to record a video really quick, you can click record and it uploads it to the cloud to your Loom back office, and you can send that link to the person so they can watch your recorded video. So it's a really cool way for troubleshooting, helping people, customer support. I really do like it. Anyways, that animation just finished. Okay, so now that animation is done, it just downloaded. So let's open it up. But yeah, that is what the animation looks like. As you can see here, it was animating. The animation you saw, it just basically included my logo on the animation, and I can use that as an introduction for my YouTube videos. Or if I'm a freelancer, I can sell these animations to people who hire me. I can charge them $20 for an animation. So it's a great way for you to make some extra money, or start your own animation business, whatever it may be. Very simple. So within just a few minutes, we purchased Viddyoze. Well, I bought this over a year ago, but if you were to purchase Viddyoze, you can purchase Viddyoze, and in less than a minute of purchasing Viddyoze, you can find an animation that you like in here, upload your logo, and now you have a brand new YouTube introduction. Now you have a brand new introduction for your company videos. It's really amazing, and I think it's a very simple way for you to make quick videos, quick animations for you or your clients, for you and or your clients. So my review about Viddyoze, even though they changed the design of the platform over the past year, it's pretty much the same as before. And I really do recommend it for people who want to start an animation business, or for those who want to just make a few animations for themselves and not have to pay a freelancer $50 per animation. You can get them here for free because you paid a one-time fee. So I really do recommend it. That's my review of Viddyoze. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. My links are down below for that. And again, the link for Viddyoze and the link for Fiverr is down below. So if you want to buy your own logo, just make sure that they send you the file in the form of a PNG as well. Most freelancers know how to do that, and they know to do that because they know that you're going to be putting this on animations, and know you're going to be putting it on your website. So it's pretty much self-explanatory for them to send you the PNG file where the background is transparent. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, again, like I mentioned, reach out to me on social media. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what product you want me to review next. But that was me testing out Viddyoze for you to show you how simple this platform is, and anyone can use it. Works on any computer. And yeah, they've really improved the rendering time. Back then it took forever, but now it's like lightning quick. So if you haven't purchased Viddyoze already, I really do recommend you purchase it, because at any time they could be increasing the price. And I remember back then they increased the price and people were butthurt, but it's like they gave you a warning that they were